Free medical outreach. I don't know. All over the
As you can see, it's actually going on well. People are coming, we're checking them their blood sugar, also checking them their blood pressure, checking some necessary things that pertains to their health. Then, based on what we were able to discover, here are drugs, free drugs, everything is free, nothing is being paid for.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.